little bit about the Shandy Clinic earlier, and they truly are about going to your family's specific needs, and the clinic has 5 locations all over Colorado Springs and 2 in Pueblo. So now that you know a little bit more information about what the Shandy Clinic offers, let's head back to Maria as she talks with a speech therapist about just how they can help get your child where they need to be.
I'm talking to Gina Glen here. She's the office manager at the Shandy Clinic at the Helen Hunt location, but she's also a speech therapist. So she's going to kind of give us the insight to that. So what makes the Shandy Clinic so unique? Because there are so many of these kinds of clinics in town.
Yes, there are so many in town. But the one thing that I see with this clinic is we have a variety of locations across town. We have locations here in Colorado Springs as well as in Denver and Pueblo. And I think a big thing that also makes us unique, despite just our variety of locations, is that we work as a team across our disciplines, as Lori mentioned, with speech, occupational, and physical therapy, but also with the parents. You know, we want parents to find those resources that they need across other organizations and communities. It doesn't end with us. We want to refer out to those other places. And then we want to provide the services that are missing. You know, we add feeding group, social skills group, animal assisted therapy, all things that can really help a child succeed.
That's wonderful. So parents out there that are thinking, you know, maybe my child might have a delay, how long or how should they pursue that? And should they be waiting until the child falls too far behind, or come and get on it right away?
Get on it right away. Never wait. It's never too early to pursue help. Especially, you know, if a parent has little concern, like my child's falling behind, you know, coming in for a consultation or an actual evaluation session will help those parents get those questions answered early. Because the earlier they get the help, the earlier they find those answers to the questions that they have, and they have their child get the help that they need, you know. And that way they can come in, they can talk to a therapist, and they can really just have those concerns addressed as soon as possible, because the earlier a child gets in, the faster that they can make progress.
Okay. And maybe it's not always about fixing something, but I know a lot of parents would want to know how effective is this therapy, and how soon can I see some changes?
Mm-hmm. I believe it's very effective. I believe our therapists can have a huge impact on a child's success. However, I also believe that we are the guides to therapy. You know, parents are the real heroes in these situations. First of all, finding that their child has a problem, bringing them in once a week, twice a week, even 3 times a week, and then asking those questions, observing, listening, that's all part of what's really going to help that child. And apart from that, taking all those things that they learn here with us, trusting us, and bringing those things home to work on it. You know, and a big thing is the child motivated? Is the parent motivated? If we can get them both motivated to work together and have us guiding them, they can see huge success.
Okay. Well, and how can we get in touch with you?
You can get in touch with us via phone or via our website. You can also just come right into the clinic. You know, we're here every day, you know, and if we're not here, you know, call and leave a message. But, you know, if a parent in the community ever has a question, always come in and talk to us. You know, I find that myself and other therapists are always willing to come out and chat with you. Lori is so great about organizing community events where we have booths set up, and we talk to parents like, hey, this is what we offer. And we've had a lot of times where parents come in and chat with us at those events, and we get them in for therapy very quickly after that.
Well, that was great information, and as your kiddos head back to school, the Shandy Clinic just might be something you want to consider. So for more information, you can visit their website today at shandyclinic.com.